Sorry, bro. Where you at? They keep going at me. Why you running, bro? Stay still. Stay still, bro.
Oh no, I'll stay still. Come on.
Got your
I almost
It was two of y'all up there. I ain't know who it was. Why they keep giving me this whack ass, rainbow ass goddamn firework? I don't like that damn rocket launcher. I need a better one. Hold on. Over there.
Let's see if we can do pistols only.
Oh, I can do that. The damn police get off me. I'm with that. I'm about to, I'm about,
This nigga say I'm with
I'm
it.
about to long range of y'all ass. Y'all niggas playing with me. I'm about to long range these niggas. You niggas playing with me, man. We can do pistols. Let's do it.